is gonna teach you everything you need to know to build fuller, harder, more luscious pecs. You freaking ready? Let's do this. Woo! So we're gonna always start with incline because I need an upper chest real bad. I'm gonna show you different variations of the incline press with dumbbells. First is the typical, which most people know. They're facing each other. This is just the simple, typical incline press. Notice I never use heavy weights because I'm all about the flex. Okay, set 2. All we're gonna do is change the tiniest bit, and you're gonna work different muscle fibers. So anytime you change your angle of your wrists, so there was number 1, there could be number 2, there could be number 3, there could be number 4, and you will work a different part of the chest. Different muscles firing. After every single set, I like to give her a flex.
Nice.
I want to bring that blood flow in, get that pump happening, and let these muscles know it's time to work. Smith machine is one of my favorite pieces of equipment in the whole gym. This is such a great machine to help you build good mass in your chest with taking some of the stabilizer muscles out that might be a little bit weaker than they should be, but you still get to practice perfect form and less chance of injury. First, just standard grip, standard width. Flex every rep, and we're always going all the way to the chest.
Your kids, what's it?
We're about to do the pullover. I love this movement because it's such a nice big stretch for the pecs. Get the lats involved, just feels so good. Really important. Don't let go of that pec flex. You're gonna notice I stay consistently tight with the pec. The minute you let go is the minute you risk injury. If you watch me, you know I love pec flies. I love the cable fly, I love dumbbell flies, I love flies. So with every variation you have on here, you're working a different part of that pec. So we're gonna start with high, we're gonna go to mid, we're gonna go to low, we're gonna change tempo, we're gonna do 1.5s, we're gonna have some fun. Squeeze! Any exercise, once in a while, try throwing in a pause. Pauses change how your muscles are firing. They keep your body guessing. Okay, we're gonna hit up some flies. I like flies because it's a great stretch, really gets nice big pecs going on. Nice big, wide, big, long pecs. Now, just like everything else I've taught you, every 1 degree difference changes the part of the pec that gets worked. Plus, try doing some pauses. Try flexing in different spots. So in this one set, I'm just gonna keep changing it up with each rep. See how you like it. It's dip time. Dips are tough. Dips work so many muscle groups. It's gonna be fun. Let's get these things frickin' firing. Pec deck is a glorious stretch. I love finishing with pec deck, but you gotta throw it in different spots in your workout all the time. Now remember, every time you change where that seat is positioned and where that back pad is positioned, you're gonna work a different part of that pec. So keep changing it up, change up your rhythm, change up the weight. Let's do this. Oh, that's friggin' awesome. Oh! I hope you guys love that pec day as much as I did. Did you notice I don't ego lift? That means no heavy weights. The weights you saw me use today, that's what I use every single day. You can build a chest when you don't use big weights because you'll flex more. If you use too big of weights, chances are you're recruiting other muscles that you don't want involved. You gotta get those pecs firing if you wanna build some nice big pecs. Please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this video. Did you try these workouts? How are you feeling? Stay tuned for lots of giveaways. Thanks for tuning in.
Is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the audio. I heard from those positions. Now, when played back